In today's video, we're going to talk about the will to do something. Just like in our everyday life, the characters on the stage or screen always desire something. That means the will is always directed toward a certain goal or a certain aim. Out of this stirred will, all action, all business, every gesture emerges in our performance just as in real life. The sharp, clear, definite aim of the will expresses itself in well-formed actions and gestures. By observing such actions and gestures, we can penetrate into the will of the character and follow its impulses and aims. The difference between action and qualities. Well, action and will expresses what happens. Quality and feelings show how it happens. Each gesture, each action that you make springs from a certain will impulse. The opposite is also true, and that's the key to Chekhov technique. The gestures that you make can stir your will. The stronger and clearer it is, the more likely it will reach the will and stir and stimulate and arouse it. A strong gesture of affirmation or denial, expansion or contraction, repulsion or attraction will eventually agitate the will, calling forth in it a corresponding desire, an aim, a wish. In other words, the will echoes the gesture. And that's the beauty of Chekhov technique. You have to learn and practice making gestures in order to be able to apply them later on in your professional work. So, how? Where do you find inspiration for physical gestures? In the next video, I'm going to talk about that. We'll do a deep dive into physical gesture exercises, not to be confused with psychological gestures. Similar gestures, but a different function. I'll explain the difference at that time also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like these videos and you want me to continue to put them up on YouTube, do me a favor, like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Hey, if you like these videos, join me on Patreon and get the full class on the technique of acting from Michael Chekhov. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you in the next video.